This guide will walk you through managing smart lists efficiently using Topline. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of smart lists and how they can be used to efficiently organize and manage contact lists in software platforms. Smart lists are dynamic and updating in real time based on specific criteria set by the user. To create a smart list, navigate to the Contacts section. Click More Filters to view the drop-down list of filters. Select the option from the drop-down menu that you wanted to add in your smart list. You may add 2 or more options, depends on your range. Choose the Is Not Empty condition. To apply the filter, click on Apply. To create the selection as a smart list, click Save as Smart List. Enter the name for the smart list you wish to add. Save the new smart list by clicking on Save. A new Smart List tab will be generated. These lists can be filtered based on various conditions, allowing you to segment your contacts in the most relevant way to your needs. Access the Smart Lists management if you want to copy, share, edit or delete your smart list. Here is where you select the action you wish to do. Click on the OK button to confirm the desired changes. You can also choose which data columns to display, giving you a customized view of your contact information. You customize your page by ticking or unticking the box listed in the Columns section. You can modify the view in each list. A helpful tool when looking for recent activity or filter by people who haven't interacted in a certain period of time is by selecting the last activity column. Another tip is to access the Quick Search feature if you want to find a specific contact on your smart list. You can search by contact name, email, business name or tag. You can also search by the phone number, minimum 3 digits.